Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So the pound dollar is going down pretty strong, but I still am looking at this as a possible uptrend, and I still think it's most likely going to go up and do something like that, probably end up taking out these highs and ending up at one of these Fibonacci extension levels. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I actually think this first section of trend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a wave 1. I think this has already made an ABC of 2. I think this is all higher highs, higher lows. We're already in a wave 3. I think this is just a correction to that wave 3, maybe like a 103 and a 203, and eventually it's going to go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm still looking at this as a possible ABC. I mean, it looks like a downtrend, wave A, 3 waves up, wave B, and it looks like a downtrend for a possible wave C. Looks like we're not respecting the 78%, and the most likely place for a wave C to go is usually the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A. So, I mean, I still think there's some downside potential before we really do get that break of structure and the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're still making lower lows, lower highs. As you can see, there has not been any break of structure to the upside. For me, I am always a seller until the market proves otherwise, and the only way it's going to prove otherwise is if I see a break of structure to the upside. Otherwise, I'm just going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend. Anything I see to the upside on the shorter time frames, I'm going to assume is a correction to the downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this pound dollar has been extremely consolidated this week. As you can see, very, very rangy, very accumulative right here. You can tell that the market's really accumulating some positions. And we do have interest rate for the US dollar coming out tomorrow, and we're gonna have to see how that plays out a little bit closer to the news. But for now, until we get a break of structure, which my last major structure is way up here, I am still looking at everything I see to the upside as a correction to the downtrend. So if it does go up, like I always say, if I see 1, 2, 3 waves up, looks like we already had 3 waves up this morning. It could just keep on going down. But if I do see a 3-wave pullback, 1, 2, 3 waves up and pulse it down, I will take that as a short. As long as it doesn't go up and break structure to the upside, I am for sure going to continue to look for shorts in a downtrend on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.